How to use Photopea. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Photopea and how you can use it to create arts, thumbnails, whatever it is that you want. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now over here I'm on photopea.com. Now if you don't know what Photopea is basically an online editor that you can use to edit your photos, create different artworks, different thumbnails, different YouTube banners, or whatever it is that you want to do. It's basically like an online photo editor tool, and it's pretty amazing. And if you look over here, you can upload these types of documents and you can edit them. So you can upload the Photoshop documents, you can upload the Adobe Illustrator, the Adobe XD, sketches, PDFs, XEF, RAWs, and any JPEGs, GIFs, or SVG or PNGs uploaded over here, and you can go ahead and start editing it out. So let's just jump into it. So in order to actually go ahead and create a new project, what you're going to need to do is click on new project over here, or click on file over here and click on new. It all depends on you, and all of your progress will be saved over here. And you can also upload your files over here, or you can, you know, download them from Google Drive if you have them. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna click on new file over here, and over here this is how it's gonna look like. So over here on the left side you have your main options. So you have your project name, the width and height of it, and you have the DPIs, and you have the background, and then down below you have your templates of the canvas. So you have Twitter header, YouTube profile, you have Facebook background, Facebook page cover, or Instagram cover, Instagram photos, or Insta stories, whatever it is that you want, you can go ahead and do that. You will have other options as well. So as you can see, screen, you have mobile, you have ads, and you have photos and as well. So you can go ahead and do that. But for this one, I'm just gonna go ahead and input like a thumbnail over here, and I'm gonna keep it 1280 by 720p because that's the resolution for a thumbnail. And then over here you can choose which one you want. So for now I'm not gonna choose any of these, but I'm gonna keep it like this. And for the background, we want to keep it transparent. We don't want a white background. And then we just simply click on create, and then this is how it's going to look like. This is how our canvas is going to look like, the dashboard, whatever you want to call it. So over here on the left side you will have all of your main tools. Now I'm not going to go over each and every single one of these tools, because if I do and explain to you what it does, it will be a very long video. But I'm just simply going to giving you an overview, so keep that in mind. So over here on the left side, as you can see, we have our main tools. Then over here we have our select tools, we have our rectangle select, lasso select, we have our magic wand, we have our crop, we have our that eyedropper thingy that you know captures all the colors that you want, any color you want, if you don't know what type of what the color code is. And then we have our healing, then we have our brush, then we have our clones tool, eraser, gradient, then we have our blur tool, then we have our dodge tool, text, pen, and we have our path select as well. Now over here, each of these tools have a small little arrow over them. What that means is that, for example, if you wanted to select the T, you just simply click on the button and hold down the click. More options will appear, as you can see. And for example, if you had a pen tool, you can change it to pencil. And for example, if you had a brush tool, you can change it to brush tool, pencil, color replacement, whatever. It all depends on you. But yeah, generally this is how it looks like, right? Now over here you have your main layers over here on the left side, as you can see. So you will go ahead and create layers over here, and you will create your main options over here. And then over here at the top you have your other options, such as file editor, image, layers, filters, and all of that. So let's get started. So first things first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a background over here. Now to do that, I'll just choose this what you will say, where is it, the eyedropper tool, right? Now what I'll do next is I'll just simply select like a color, or I could go with a brush tool as well. And then over here we will choose the color. I'm gonna choose like a bluish type color, nothing too serious. Yeah, I think that looks good. And then we just paint it, of course, And over here we have our main options, and we can even increase the size of the pointer as well. So as you can see over here. But for that, I think what we need to do is over here, as you can see, we can see it, but it's black. I wanted to change it to blue. There we go. Click on OK. Here we go. Now we have a bluer color. So yeah, I think that looks nice. Now I'll just decrease the size because it was way too big. I'll keep it like that. Yeah. Next, what we can do is maybe we can upload like a PNG or something like that that can be uploaded over here. So for that, what I'll do is we can go ahead and download like these PNGs, right? But some of these PNGs aren't of really high quality. So what we'll do is we'll come over here onto Pexels, and over here, I think maybe if we just simply search for, um, let's say, excited, maybe something like that, excited man or woman. Let's see. So something like this. Maybe we can go ahead and remove the background, then it'll work, right? So let me actually see which one of these would look good on a thumbnail. So basically we're looking for an image similar to this one that has the same color palette at the background so that, we can easily remove them. That's what we're looking for. So something like this maybe, or like this. So let's see over here. Maybe this one. So I'll just simply download this one, right? Download this image. Now what I'll do is I want to remove the background. So I'll come over here onto remove background. Now you can go ahead and, do this on Photopea as well, but that'll take way too long. So that's why we're going to do it over here. So we're going to upload the image that we have over here, and we're going to remove the background and see how it looks like. All right, it's removing the background. There we go. So as you can see, background has been removed. Pretty simple. Now we'll just simply download it. Click on save. Now we'll go over here onto Photopea, find the image that we just downloaded. There we go. This is the image. Then we'll just simply upload it over here. Now we have the layer. As you can see, it was placed at the top. Now I want to increase the size of this woman as well, but it's not a very high quality option, but it works. So then I'll just place it over here maybe. Now I would have liked a more, at higher level, more resolution image. So let me actually find that. Okay, so I think this one would look pretty cool. So I downloaded this one. Let's go ahead and apply it over here. This is the image, though I'll just paste that over there. I'll actually delete this one. And yeah, I think I'll keep this one, but I'll increase the size of it as well. So over here, I'll keep it there, right? And then what I'll do is maybe I'll choose like a text tool, and maybe I can also create another layer. There we go, another layer. Then I'll choose the text tool, and so as you can see, it looks pretty cool. Now what I'll do is, as I said before, I'll add a text. I'll just say like, make money online with, or just simply make money online, or maybe like how to make money online. So now I'm just simply gonna go ahead and center align them, and also maybe, so then I'll just increase the size of it. So probably something like this, and then I'll select the tools and put them over here. Okay, so sorry about that. My computer just shut down, but I think we're good. So I forgot to save as well, so probably should save. Yeah, I should probably put it here, just in case my computer starts to mess with me again. So now what I'm going to do is actually, you can go ahead and change the fonts as well. So over here, let's go ahead and make it a little bit more bold. Yeah, I think that looks good. Bold is nice. Yeah. And also maybe a little bit bigger. So let me just move this out over here. Or, it does not feel right. Like maybe something like this. Yeah, I think that looks much better. Center align it. Yeah. There we go. How to make money online. Now, remember, guys, I'm not a professional or anything. I'm just, here doing my thing. So now what I'll do is I would like to change the color of my fonts to white. I'll click on OK. Yeah, I think white looks much better. Now I do want to add like a shadow as well. So over here we have other fonts as well. Maybe we can change the fonts up a little bit to whatever we feel like it. I do like bold fonts, so let's see if we can find some. I think there was like Opens or Poppins. Let's see if they have it. Yeah, Poppins is here. So yeah, I definitely like Poppins much better. Yeah. Okay, now that we have that, maybe we would like to add like a background as well. Well, no, actually the background does not look good. Maybe a little bit of stroke. Yeah, a little bit, nothing too crazy. Yeah, I think that looks much better. Yeah. So something like this, then we could go with another some PNG styles, maybe like vortex images of money. Let's see if we can find some over here. So we do have a bunch of different options, but I don't think we can add these over there. So I think maybe we should find some PNGs. So over here, maybe we can find it. So I'll just say dollars, and then we can go ahead and add these into our, you know, uh, like this one I think would look good. Stack of dollars. So I'm going to download this. Okay, so I have downloaded it. Let's go ahead and see where we have it. All right, we have it over here. Gonna export them over here, extract all, put them over here. Here we go. So maybe now we can put it over here. I don't know how it's gonna look like. I really don't, but let's see. Yeah, no, that's not what we were looking for. Well, I think that generally I think this would look good, right? Something like this. You got all your basic tools, and yeah, I think you guys understand what you need to do. So yeah, so pretty much that's it. That's how you use Photopea to create amazing looking photos, thumbnails, or channel arts, whatever. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.